Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So a while back I did 3 ways to wrap a headscarf on a wig. So today I'm going to show you how to wrap a headscarf on my natural hair. And this is just something you can do when you're in between styles, when you ain't got nothing to do, when you get bored, when you don't feel like doing your hair. And that's kind of where I'm at today. I just took a wig off, so I'm just gonna put a headscarf on and, you know, beat your face, do your makeup a little bit so it all comes together, and voila. So the first thing I do, I like to take a head scrunchie and bring all my hair to the top in a little puff, just to keep my hair together. It also forms the shape that you're gonna have when you do the turban wrap. So I take any kind of big scarf that has a cute print that I like. It's winter time, so I did these dark colors and I have it folded in a triangle, and I'm going to loop it around. And then you tie it, and I twist it around the ball that I've already made. Then you want to loop that in the front and use another scrunchie to hold it together. And that's all that it is to it. Then you want to brush some baby hairs out with your finger. And you're gonna take some edge control and you're just gonna go on both sides and curl the hair. You want to get your baby hairs going.
However you are used to doing them.
I like to throw some hoops on with the turban just to add some pizzazz. Voila, and there you go.